Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is BTC Ninja coming to you from the Ninja Cave. You already know. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Friday, so July 9th, 2021. TGIF. Anyways, let's get into the video. There's a lot that I'm going to talk today. So, looking back at the BLX, the lowest we have gotten this week is 32,100. We still haven't come below the 618 at 31,100. Let's not close any weekly candles below that and we should be good. Let's go into the current chart at the moment. This is the Bitstamp chart. And currently we're trading at 33,895. Looking like, as I was stating last week around the same time, let's first look at the CME so we could know where it closed. So CME on the daily, it closed at 33,455. And if we look at the Bitstamp chart once again, we can see that, we've been trending, sort of down this week. Let's look at the daily. So we've been trading going to the downside. Not that much. But during the weekend, like I was saying, that as I was stating on the last week's video, usually we do the opposite. So, expect a pump to mess the traders up. And then, during Sunday, when CME opens again, expect a downside again and come back where the CME closed. So if you see Bitcoin go over, 34,000, 35,000, just keep in mind that the CME closed at 33,455. So if we go to, 34, 35, that's going to create a CME gap. And, if you can see what happened last time when we created the CME gap. Let me see where it was again. No, I don't want you right now. Let's see. Was it 11 of June? No, that's too far. Anyways, well, usually when we have a gap, we tend to fill it. There's gaps over here at 48,000 and 60,000 that haven't been filled yet. So, just watch out. I tend not to trade on the weekend. If I do, it's mostly for scalps, in and out, not to hold my trade open when CME opens again. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance, we're still creating higher lows. This is bad for alts, good for Bitcoin. What else was I gonna talk about on the charts? Not pretty much. It's pretty much it. I think on the daily, we can come and test the 4-hour 21 EMA at 34.5. If we break that, then expect another test of the 35,800 range, close to 36,000. But like I'm saying, I don't trust the moves on the weekend. Usually it's more to mess with the traders. But just be careful if you're gonna trade. In other news, make sure to follow me in my Twitter account. I have 310 followers. Help me out with the follow. Usually I tend to, post, especially the 618. I tend to update my Twitter account regarding that scenario before making a video. And I also wanted to go over some on-chain metrics. So this is the stable coins that are in exchanges waiting to get back into the crypto space, aka into Bitcoin or other alts. So if you guys can see, there is a lot of stable coins at the moment. And imagine if all that stable coins go back into Bitcoin, that's gonna push the price up massively. If we look at this one, every time that the stable coins, also known as the buying power, gets over this green line, it's usually, it means underbought. So, usually when it crosses, it kind of signals a bottom is in. Now you can't predict how long it's gonna take us. Like for example, this one, it made a lower high, and then it created, it went way lower. But if you see the on-chain metrics, once we cross this dotted line, it signals a bottom in the market space. So for example here, it was underbought, a lot of stable coins. We saw the bottom and then we started trending to the upside. Same thing in January, in 2020. We saw an uptick of stable coins and that signaled a bottom. Same thing happened over here at the end of at the end of 2020. There was another uptick. It crossed the dollar line. It marked the bottom and we pushed to make all-time highs. Same thing is happening at the moment. There is a massive stable coins and exchanges. So they're gonna get back in. Now we don't know if they're waiting for Bitcoin to come closer to 20k, 25k. Nobody knows. But I don't think prices under 30k are gonna be sustained because there's a lot of buying power that are waiting to get in around those prices. And I do think, based on the charts that I've been showing you guys, the 618, I don't think we're gonna go below the 31,100 level. We might get another wick, but I don't think we're gonna close the weekly below that level. So, once these stable coins get back in the game, that's gonna push us to the upside again. My prediction is that we're gonna make a new all-time high before the year ends. So let's see what happens. Also, this is the users in the Bitcoin wallets that are all over the place and the exchanges and everywhere. We just hit an all-time high. We broke the 2017 2018 all-time high. So that means new users are coming into the space and buying Bitcoin. So this is good. So yeah, if you see right here, we made an all-time high. Bitcoin trend to the upside. We broke that all-time high. We still kept trending to the upside, and then we created an all-time high, which was a 20,000, and then that's when people sold off, and then we started the uptrend again. So will we have another 3 all-time high drive? We'll find out. But that is all for this video. Let me just take a quick a quick peek at the Bitcoin price before I close the video. So we're still at 33,869. So, you know, like I've been stating, just be careful if you're gonna trade. You know, I'll probably make another video when the CME opens, probably Sunday afternoon, maybe Monday. It depends when I have time. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like this content. I focus mainly on Bitcoin. If you have been a subscriber. But yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. Go ahead and follow me on my Twitter and leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoy the on-chain metrics or if you just want me to focus on the chart. So I'll be looking forward to your comments, if any, and I'll see you on the next video. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and hope you guys are, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend wherever you guys are, whatever you guys might be doing. And I'll see you back in the Ninja Cave on the next one. See you.